Good afternoon, fantasy family. Ooh, maybe I should do like an intro song. Like, you know how like Jackie Aina has like Jackie. Maybe I should do good morning. What was the theme? What did I just do? Good afternoon, fantasy family. Ew, that's what we doing. That's what we doing. I don't care if it's corny or not. Do it. So, I was going to go to the city today and decided not to because baby girl is tired. I don't feel like it. I am uploading my YouTube video right now. So the video is going to be up at like 3:37 and I'm about to watch The Undoing or whatever, and then I may end up making food later on for my boyfriend's brothers. I'm not too sure, but we'll see. Okay, depending on how I feel, because today's just one of those days. I've been telling you guys since like for like the past 3 days, I've been telling you that I've been out of it, and I just feel like my body is just like, we need to chill. We need to bring it down to a 2. You've been at 10 and 15, baby. Chill, relax. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna listen, because I don't listen. I'm hard-headed. Let's go. So this is my mashup of my leftovers. If you're somebody that doesn't like when your food touch, I'm sorry. But it don't matter. I don't care. It's all gonna go into the same place anyway. It's all good. Sometimes some are better when it's all together anyways. The flavors of each other just mash up together. So the mac and cheese is over here. A little bit of it. Well, I think this is the big ziti that's on the salmon. I have like 1 shrimp, 1 chicken, cornbread, and some rice. And I'm basically gonna be making like the same exact thing for my boyfriend's brother, because after I made it on Thanksgiving, he was like, oh, tell her to make some baked ziti mac and cheese fried chicken. So I'm like, okay, I guess I'm gonna be making fried chicken baked ziti. I guess that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I've been saying that I was gonna do it for a while, and I finally have time to just sit down and do it because I've been so busy with work. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do that, and then I'm gonna make some soup for his father. So I'll probably do that like around, it's 3 right now, so I'll probably do like around like 7ish. I'll be done cooking like around 8:39, and then I could just bring it over and they can just eat it for like dinner, because we eat dinner late. Okay, I'm not one of those people that eat dinner at 7 o'clock. I don't do that. I eat dinner at like 9 or 10. So yeah, about to start The Undoing. Yo, I ain't get nothing done today at all. I just woke up from a nap. I was watching The Undoing. I got to like the middle of episode 2, and then I got tired. Alexa, turn down my volume by 2. Okay, so I got to is this from my light? I think it is. Yeah, it is. I got to episode, like the middle of episode 2 of The Undoing, and then I just felt like this rush of tiredness hit me. And I feel like it's because like when I'm cold and then I get warm, I automatically want to go to sleep. And then when I eat and then I'm cold and then I get warm, oh baby, it's over. Oh baby, I'm gonna get it. So I'm back to watching The Undoing. I definitely didn't get to cook or anything like that because it is 7 o'clock. I fell asleep maybe like 5ish. I'm gonna say, yeah, like 5ish, because this phone notification, I didn't even see this. Like 5 o'clock or so, I fell asleep. So it's not 7, so I'm sleeping for like 2 hours. I do want to get up and like do a little something, but I don't feel like I have enough time to. My boyfriend will be here soon to, what did she find? This seems like a very interesting show. I'm just trying to get into it because like it starts off really weird. Like with the way it starts off, it seems as though it's a show that's been playing forever. You know what I'm saying? Like it seemed like if you watch like a show that has like multiple seasons, it looks like it just started in the middle of a season. So I was very confused if I was watching the very first episode or not, but I was. So weird. But yeah, I'm watching The Undoing. And then I still have yet to do a thumbnail for my game night video that went up yesterday. So I need to do a thumbnail for that because I need to start doing the promotions and stuff for my VLOGMAS videos on my channel. I have not done it for like this past week because I've been so busy. So I'm gonna just start like posting them up. Like, hey, if you have not caught up on my Vlogmas videos, make sure that you check up, swipe up. You feel me? Do the thing. So yeah, I'm not doing much today. And honestly, the way I'm feeling, I don't even feel like I want to force myself to do much today. So that is just that. Maybe my boyfriend may just do like a competition game night thing. I don't know. Oh, I wonder if he has his Uno cards. If he doesn't, I'm going to do. Is this Uno Flip? Have you guys ever played Uno Flip? It's like a light side and a dark side. It's a different type of way to play Uno. I like it though. Some people don't like it because they feel like, oh, it's super long. But if you ever play Phase 10, then you're used to like long games, card games, because this is not long to me at all. Yeah, if there's something interesting that happens, I'll come back on here. But I'm sorry guys, ain't much else for me to do. Still watching The Undoing. And I'm about to go shower. I didn't do anything today. I'm sorry, you guys. I'ma slap you. I'ma slap you. Don't play with me, ugly. What's your life? Yeah, I'm just gonna continue watching The Undoing. It's not really much to do today, honestly. I could have done something today, but I didn't. But the things that I need to get done today, I'm going to do it tomorrow. Because I know, right? I just finished eating some fish and plantains. Still have some of the plantains left over. But I'm a person like, okay, let me pause this because I'm missing stuff. I'm a person that's like, if you make plantains, one, they have to be ripe. Two, you have to add salt on it. People do not add salt on their plantains, and I don't get it, because if you don't add the salt, it literally tastes like starch. Like, it doesn't bring out the sweetness of the plantain. Like, the salt brings out the sweetness. Like, you know how like when you put salt on meat, it makes it tender, you know what I'm saying, and juicy and all that other stuff, like all the, what is it, the enzymes or something break down, the molecules and stuff break down. Shut up. The molecules and stuff break down and it makes the meat juicier. Like, that's what happens when you put salt on freaking plantains. Like, if you are someone that does not eat their plantains with salt, please try it with salt. Not too much though. Try it with a little bit of salt and it will change your life, because any type of plantains without salt is just not it. My nail is like breaking. I'm over this stuff. I'm about to just start wearing my natural nails. I'm not gonna close out the vlog just yet because we made like, I brought Uno. I used to play Uno and stuff before you go to bed. So once babe comes out the shower, then we're gonna play some Uno. And then yeah, today's really a chill day. Okay, this is the chillest I've been all of Vlogmas, and I think I deserve this. I'm sorry, but I deserve to chill just a little bit, even if it's for one day, baby. I need it. I need it. Alright, well, I'm gonna close out this vlog because it seems like we're not gonna be playing Uno because somebody got attitude. And it ain't me. Can you stop? Alright guys, so I'm not gonna be playing Uno or anything like that, so I'm gonna go ahead and just close out the vlog because we're just gonna call it a night. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know I didn't do much of anything, honestly. We just be at home. But tomorrow's vlog and then the next 3 days, right? This is Vlogmas day 21, so the next 4 days it's gonna be much more stuff that I'm gonna be doing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you didn't, I'm sorry. Make sure to thumbs up the video if you did, and even if you didn't, if you want to thumbs it up just to support, go ahead and do that. Make sure to comment down below on what type of videos that you want to see for the rest of Vlogmas and days after Vlogmas, like just regular uploads. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay, and join the fantasy family. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Good night. Bye. Just like the ones I used to know.